Hi, and welcome to Tealyra, the galaxy of teas, and a wonderful discovery tea is from our own matcha selection. And we're going to show you the matcha starter kit, which you can see right here. We're just going to open it. It comes in a box. So it comes with its own matcha bowl, scoop, bamboo whisk, and its holder. So this is a starter kit you can start with when you purchase this from our Tealyra website. And we're just to show you also the tea is separate. So I'm going to show you how it's prepared. So it's a matcha powder green tea, high in antioxidant, detoxifies the body. And also when the tea is grounded, when the leaves are grounded down, it becomes by flat stones, it comes into a powder. So you just take one scoop, just put it in with the bamboo scoop, firmly close this, keep this in a cool place. Then pour half a cup of water, under 250 milliliters or so. Remember, at 175 temperature is very important because you don't want to burn the tea. And you take your scoop, which is the bamboo whisk, and you just gently, you're gonna just whisk. Just very rapidly, you don't have to press hard, just let the bamboo whisk itself because the bamboos at the bottom is bent, so it scoops up the tea. And as you can see, it's starting to froth. And then when it comes to a froth, then you drink it and enjoy. So, here we go. So thank you for watching this video. And we hope to see you again. And from Tealyra, remember, tea makes everything better.